10 amazing facts about mice. 1. Diverse species. Mice are part of the family Muridae, which includes a wide variety of species. House mice and deer mice are among the most common, but there are over 30 different genera within this family. 2. Excellent jumpers. Mice are exceptional jumpers and can jump up to 18 inches vertically. This ability helps them navigate their environment, escape predators, and reach food sources. 3. Superb navigators. Mice have an impressive sense of direction. They use landmarks, visual cues, and their keen sense of smell to navigate through intricate mazes and find their way home. 4. Rapid reproduction. One reason why mice are so prolific is their rapid reproduction rate. A female mouse can give birth to a dozen or more pups every 3 weeks, making them highly adaptable and successful in various environments. 5. Communication through ultrasound. Mice communicate using ultrasonic vocalizations that are beyond the range of human hearing. These vocalizations play a crucial role in mating, territory marking, and social interactions. 6. Omnivorous diet. Mice are omnivores, which means they eat a wide range of foods. While they primarily consume grains and seeds, they also enjoy fruits, vegetables, and even insects, showcasing their adaptability to different food sources. 7. Nocturnal creatures. Mice are primarily nocturnal, being most active during the night. This behavior helps them avoid predators and efficiently forage for food in the dark. 8. Sharp teeth. Mice have continuously growing incisors that they must gnaw on to keep at a manageable length. Their teeth are incredibly sharp and can chew through a variety of materials, including wood and plastic. 9. Versatile dwellers. Mice are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of environments, from fields and forests to urban areas. They can thrive in diverse conditions, making them one of the most widespread mammals on Earth. 10. Medical research contributions. Mice are crucial in medical research. Due to their genetic similarities to humans, they are commonly used in studies exploring various diseases and testing potential treatments, contributing significantly to advancements in medicine.